Here to celebrate today, Ike Abonyi, the National Coordinator of the Obedient Movement, Dr. Oseloka Obaze, my big brother, the former Secretary to the Government in Anambra State, Professor Sam Amadi, Malang Abdul Karim Ibrahim, our former Treasurer who is here, Princess Oluchi Opara, High Chief Peter Ame. I don't know, is the representative of the Governor of Abia here? Sisters, my sons and my daughters, good afternoon. It is with immense honor and a deep sense of duty that I wish to welcome all of you here to this historic gathering, the presentation of Obi, the political change agent. A timely literary work chronicling not only the political journey of one man, but the awakening of a nation's democratic consciousness. In every generation, there arises a voice that does not merely echo the frustrations of the people, but dares to chart a new path for them. Mr. Peter Obi, whose life and political saga we unveil today, has become such a voice. This book, meticulously authored and titled boldly, tells a story far beyond politics. It is the story of accountability against impunity, a story of simplicity against flamboyance, a story of principles against expediency, and a story of prudence against financial recklessness. The 250-page book we are celebrating today does not only examine His Excellency Peter Obi's public service, but it invites us to consider the bigger picture, the inevitability of a new Nigeria. Indeed, as we said some moments ago, a new Nigeria is POssibble. Through the 26 illuminating chapters, we are taken on a journey of disruption, reform, resistance, and rebirth. From the echoes of the 1999's democratic rebirth to the turbulence of the 2023 general elections, the book explores not just the man, but the obedient movement, which has become an emblem of youth political awakening and civic courage in Nigeria today. Let me commend the author, Ike Abonyi, for his bold and unflinching chronicle. The chapters on electoral intrigue, media battles, identity, politics, and the ideological tenacity are essential. They are essential readings for anyone seeking to understand the shifting landscape of Nigeria's democracy. Particularly poignant are the reflections on justice, character, and the price of being principled in a corrupt system. As chairman of this occasion, I urge us not to see this book as the conclusion of an episode, but the preface to a new national dialogue. It challenges us to rethink the meaning of leadership, the role of political parties, and the place of the ordinary citizen in shaping extraordinary change. It reminds us that patriotism is no longer passive admiration, but active participation. As we listen today to scholars, political leaders, and reviewers, may we draw inspiration not just from the man, Peter Obi, but from the movement he has catalyzed. A movement that says in one voice, Nigeria must and shall rise again, not by miracles, but by meticulous leadership, courageous citizens, and uncompromising values. May this gathering today reignite our shared belief in a nation where character will count, competence will lead, and conscience will prevail. Indeed, a new Nigeria is POssibble. A new Nigeria is possible. Thank you very much. May God bless the Labour Party, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.